Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the surface area of two cubes are in the ratio 9:49 and the volume of the first cube is 216 meter cube, and therefore we have to find the volume of the second cube. So let the two cubes be cube number 1, whose edge length is equals a meter, and cube number 2, whose edge length is equals b meter. Now total surface area of cube number 1 represented by TSA1 is equal 6a square meter square, and total surface area of cube number 2, this is cube number 2 represented by TSA2 is equals 6b square. Similarly, volume of cube number 1 is represented by a cube meter cube, and volume of cube number 2 is equals b cube meter cube. And according to the question, surface area of the two cubes are in the ratio 9:49, that is TSA 1 upon TSA 2, that is 6a square upon 6b square, which can be written as a upon b whole square equals 9 upon 49, which can be written as 3 upon 7 whole square. Therefore, a upon b will be equals 3 upon 7. This is equation number 1. So we have to find the volume of cube number 2. So v2 upon v1 can be written as b cube upon a cube, which is nothing but b upon a whole cube. Now from relation number 1, we have a upon b equals 3 upon 7. So b upon a will be 7 upon 3. So it will be 7 upon 3 whole cube. Right? Now volume of cube number 1 is given as 216 meter cube. So v2 upon 216 equals 7 cube, which is 213, I guess. So 343. Okay, so 7 cube is 343 and 3 cube is 27. Now in order to get the value of volume of cube number 2, we multiply both sides of the equality by 216. So v2 will be equals 343 upon 27 multiplied by 216. Now 27 will cancel out 216 and will produce 8. So 343 multiplied by 8 will give us 2744 meter cube. 2744 meter cube. Therefore, volume of cube number 2 will be equals 2744 meter cube. So this will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.